Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best air fryers for French fries in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Cosori Air Fryer, oil-less cooker for crispy French fries. Fulfilling one's craving with delicious food, especially French fries that are healthier, is also something like a dream come true. But with the innovation of air fryers, any being can satisfy the appetite while consuming cholesterol-free yet yummiest foods. Moreover, the basket is coated with non-stick material. Also, it is not only removable but is also dishwasher safe with both PFOA and BPA free. Above all, the equipment serves as the best air fryer for French fries. But you can also use this fryer for vegetables, desserts, poultry, and frozen products like seafood, shrimp, and bacon. Also, it is best for desserts, bread and much more. In short, Cosori Air Fryer turns out to be an awesome gift for your foodie family and parents since it can fry food with 85% less fat in comparison to traditional deep frying methods. So, why not opt for such a machine that can help heart patients come back to flavorful foods? Number 2. Our second best pick is GoWise GW22731 Digital Air Fryer. Consumption of crispier and delicious food without suffering from the guilt of extra calorie intake is no more a dream now. Since GoWise Digital Air Fryer opens doors of various opportunities to you. To clarify, it allows you to fry, bake, grill, or roast without oil while employing rapid air circulation technology. Moreover, this GoWise Digital Air Fryer is immensely controllable and works according to the user's requirements. Availability of various temperature levels from 180 to 400 degrees and a 30-minute cooking timer is the biggest instance since the air fryer is the true innovation, so monitoring it is breezy with a modern touchscreen menu. With the GoWise Air Fryer for crispy fries, you can enjoy evenly fried food due to the built-in alarm function. So whenever the alarm beeps, just shake the ingredients and prevent the meal from overcooking from one side. Lastly, you can turn your food into the ultimate nutritious item through a slight coating of healthier oil. So, don't hesitate to go for this fairly sized 5.8-quart model since it offers perfection from all aspects. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is DFAF 455GBBK01 Air Fryer for French fries. Suppose you own a huge family and want to fulfill everyone's healthier and tastier food requirements, but finds it difficult due to your busy schedule. Then a Deluxe air fryer can be a lifesaver for you since it is versatile enough to prepare healthy snacks while reducing fat by 70 to 80% and still producing crispier meals. Rather than oil, this best air fryer for crispy French fries employs air crisp technology and thus cooks a meal to perfection. To clarify, with no oil, you shall not doubt the resulting flavor. Because that will be undeniably delicious, and you will hardly believe zero oil addition. The brand does not forget to focus on safety precautions similarly. Therefore, the machine features an auto shut-off function that prevents overcooking. Moreover, cool touch housing and handle safeguard the user from slider burns, making the product an appropriate utility for kids. Moreover, for fish lovers, the team at Cookware Trends selected some top-rated best air fryers for fish that will surely make your job easier. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.